Did you know that your pets are at risk with the North Texas heat? Neither dogs nor cats have the ability to sweat, so all they can really do is pant. So making sure that they're inside where it's cool when the weather outside is hot enough to harm them is important. If you do bring your pets inside and your HVAC unit stops working while you're gone, did you know that your home can reach temperature levels that can be fatal to your pets? In North Texas, your HVAC system is an investment that is essential in your health and the health of your family pets. So why take a risk? You know that you need to have your system checked and evaluated, so now is the time to call the pros, the air repair pros. Get the peace of mind that you deserve and the relief that your pets need to stay safe and comfortable all season long. So call the pros, the air repair pros, to find out if both you and your pets will be both comfortable and safe this season. Both you and your furry friends will be glad that you did. I promise.